Hello, fellow colleagues. My name is Izzy, and I have retaken the PRPSA test again after completing the Communications 20 class. I have reached my original goal of bringing my score down below 50 after taking the test at the beginning of the semester. My original score was 76, and my most recent score dropped me 41 points down to a 35. I feel that I have more than met the expectations I set for myself. My strengths include good eye contact, great use of hand gestures, and I am a strong conversational speaker. I have found that my main opportunity for growth is to slow down my speech speed rate. I did have a problem with saying at the beginning, but corrected the problem by sitting down in a power pose and taking breaks to breathe. I cannot wait to take my skills in the future to my former elementary school to support the Adopt a College program and convince the students that a college education is important to sustaining a living in San Jose. I was surprised that I had said as much as I did when I first started out, and I was able to remedy the solution just by adding my posture or changing my posture. The best advice I can give future students taking this course is to relax, breathe, eat healthy, prepare for your speeches, and to practice as much as you can. Thank you very much. Have a good summer. Thank you.